welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is TemyzTV. My name is Temy. If you're new here, I make videos weekly, lifestyle, business, vlogging, beauty, fashion. If you're interested in any of those, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're an oldie, thank you for coming. I love you. Today I went to mail out some orders and I'm back. So right now I'm waiting on my friends. Then I'm trying to make this TikTok video. I saw it on TikTok and I decided I want to try. So I'm just gonna wait for my friend to get here. So when she gets here, I'll just have lunch. Then after that, then I'm going to get the watermelon and the cinnamon.
Peace FaceTime video. Peace FaceTime video.
Dress from Fashion Nova a long time ago, maybe over a year, but I couldn't wear it because I was a little bit bigger. But I lost weight for summer, so now I can fit into my dress. So I'm going with this purse from Alexandra Wang. What's that? We just got to Kroger. Hi guys. This way actually. Here, cinnamon. Cinnamon. I think this is better.
That's better?
Yeah.
Okay.
But okay, let's get this one. It's brown. This way.
Oh, okay.
Right? Yeah.
Yes. Vlog is white.
Vlog is white.
What kind of box?
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Yeah. Punch. Yeah, that's it. So I just got and this, I have the watermelon here. I just washed it and I'm about to cut it. So this is a cinnamon and watermelon. I'm about to cut it. Shh. So
it tastes good?
mm-hmm.
Cinnamon?
Really good.
So what does it taste like?
It's like sweet watermelon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just like sugar.
I can tell you're fancying it. You're enjoying it. What about mustard?
That's disgusting. But
No mustard.
no mustard. So, but
So what other sauce would you want to try that with? Let's try something different.
like what? Like ketchup
Ketchup?
or Chick-fil-A sauce?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Let me try Chick-fil-A sauce.
So what kind of Chick-fil-A sauce is it?
It's just Chick-fil-A sauce.
Jesus!
I know.
What's sound bad?
Just like chicken nugget.
So which one do you prefer?
I like this.
The cinnamon?
Yeah, because it's sweet. But it's sweet when you don't put so much, just little. So, but when you put so much,
It's too much.
it feels like it's spicy.
Oh, really?
So, you just put little. Because the part where I had, like, where I put so much was really spicy. But this tastes like chicken
nugget.
nugget.
Your lips like that.
So guys, I'm done with the watermelon and the cinnamon and Chick-fil-A sauce. So right now, I'm about to go and do Sissy Spices business. So I'm about to undo all the businesses. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so today I'm going to a gun range. So a friend is taking me to a gun range. I'm going for shooting. Will I call it training or something? But
Forward like this, okay? Don't cross your thumb like that. This comes back every time.
okay.
So, thumbs forward. To aim, focus on that front sight. That dot sits in the middle of those two dots there. Makes a level line. Put that on the bullseye, that's where the bullet will go. Target system. No, you're good. The target system. So set 5.
5. He gonna show up later. Yes, he gonna buy the box soon.
Site got knocked out at the wrong time.
I wish.
Well guys, I had fun shooting and I found out today that shooting a rifle is way easier than shooting a pistol. Like the big guns are the rifle and the small ones are the pistol. So shooting the big guns are actually like pretty easier to shoot. But I had fun. It was fun shooting. So right now I'm about to head home. So guys, we're grilling. We're grilling today. I hope you guys enjoy grilling with me today. So if you like any of the spices, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can buy them.